What's going on, guys? Ben from JK Gear and Gadgets, and this is gonna be a real quick video on an awesome CB and VHF mounting solution for your Jeep. So this is gonna work from anything from 2007 up to the new JL. They are a little bit different between the models, but the basis is the exact same. You know, I've always had, CB radio. I went with the Cobra 75WX just because it's awesome, it's compact, but I also have a rugged radios, VHF, UHF radio. There's lots of different models of these, but I'm a fan of the rugged radios. So by the time you start adding a CB, a VHF radio, and possibly another, base mounted VHF radio, you're starting to run out of places to keep all this stuff. So I started looking around online for a good place to mount, my rugged radio, as well as another place to mount my CB. And I actually stumbled upon this product. It's a dual mount from Jeep Unique. It's completely bolt-on, extremely simple, and it allows you to mount your CB, and it has a clip plate for your VHF radio, all in one place. So let me show you guys where this goes. It's gonna go right here on the grab handle. Just pop this piece out and simply pop this. We're done. That's all it is to install. All three are centered right there. It's the perfect place to just keep everything out of the way, and honestly, it's just extremely convenient. Those of you that are running 2011 and up interiors, they still make a mount for those. It's a little bit different for the install. Extremely easy still, but it's just one 8mm nut bolt that you're gonna have to pull off and then put it back on. So the instructions came in the kit, but I mean, honestly, it's a 3-minute install, but this is awesome. So for those of you that don't have a handheld VHF radio yet, you can either order it with this backing plate and pop it off, or you can order just the typical CB mount right here. Good thing about it is that later on, if you want, you can add this to it. So it's modular. This can pop off, and you can add different types of radios because it does go off the radio backing plate, the little clip here. You have to get them specifically for the radio so they are nice and secure in there. But I'm extremely satisfied with this. It's really going to clean up the interior once I get everything done. I still need to find something to do with this this mount. That's what you want to avoid doing inside your Jeep. It's never fun to drill new holes, so this one's extremely easy, bolts right on, and you are done. I got this mount for $40 on jeepunique.com. I'll put the link in the description, guys, but that's about it. Just want to do a real quick video on this. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Like always, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you will, and stay tuned for more Jeep videos.